Welcome to B-flat arpeggios. We're almost done. There's B-flat, there's F, and then we're done with the arpeggios, and then we're done with the basic chords, or scales, chords, and arpeggios. Then we're going to move on to basic improv, and then basic section will be done. We're almost there. B-flat arpeggios, or A-sharp arpeggios, if you want to go from A to A-sharp, or B to B-flat. There's only, when you play the chord, there's a B-flat, D, and F. We already played chords, we already know this. The minor version is going to be when the third minor goes down, it's going to be B flat, D flat, and F. So we're going to go to the major, play it one by one. So we're going to go to B flat, D, F, and B flat, all one by one. I'm going to go to D, F, B flat, D, and then F, B flat, D, F, and then finally B flat, D, F, B flat. And going down, it's going to be 5, 3, 2, 1, 5, 3, 2, 1, 5, 4, 2, 1, 5, 3, 2, 1. So this is, I want you to practice just one hand going up, one octave, and down. Play that until you're confident, until your fingers know where to play. Make sure your form's good, that you're not too tense, and that you're relaxed and your hand is curved. Really important. Okay, we're going to go to the left hand. And it's going to be same notes. B flat, D, F, B flat. Only for the fingerings, it's going to be 5, 3, 2, 1, 5, 4, 2, 1, 5, 3, 2, 1, and again 5, 3, 2, 1. And going down, it's going to be 1, 2, 3, 5, 1, 2, 3, 5, 1, 2, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 5. Practice left hand until you're comfortable and you know the notes pretty well. So you're not looking for them that much, that you could just play it right away. Good. Now we're going to put them together. So, 5th finger on B flat, 1st finger on B flat as well. We're gonna go B flat, D, F, B flat, D, F, B flat, D, F, B flat, D, F, and B flat, D, F, B flat. And we're gonna go down. B flat, F, D, 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 B flat. Just like that. Practice with two hands until, yep, you got it, until you're comfortable and confident. Oops, I went too far. Then we go down. Good. Now we're going to go for 4 octaves. We're going to start down here. We're going to go all the way up to this one. So let's start with skipping. Good. And then we go straight for the next 25 times. Okay, that's the major of the B-flat arpeggios. Now we're going to do the minor. Just like the chord, we're going to take the third, half a step down to D flat. So with one hand, we're going to go, let's do both of them at the same time. So we're going to go B flat, D flat, F, 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 and again, B flat, D flat, F, B flat. And we're going to go down, B flat, F, D flat, 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 then B flat, F, D flat, B flat. Lots of flats. Cool. So play 1 octave. Now we're just gonna start 4 octaves right away. It's gonna be comfortable. You can do 1 octave so you can get to comfortable. Like, that's not a bad idea, actually. And then you go down. Well, I play 1 more. Then you're gonna start right here. Start with skipping 25 times. And then after 25 times, I just did it once. After 25 times, then you go straight. There you go. So that's B flat major and B flat minor, or A sharp major and A sharp minor arpeggios. If you play them 50 times, you're going to be really well to know this arpeggio. And if you play all the other arpeggios really well 50 times, then you will know them. Your fingers are going to know them great. Next one is F, and that's going to be our last arpeggio for the basic section.